Yeah.
Good day. My name is Mo Kingsley, the CEO of Interglobal Green Blossom. Today we want to talk about very important practice in apiculture. That practice, you might be start thinking, what might that be that we want to talk about today? It's very vital practice that will make you to be successful in apiculture. What does that be? Site selection. Most people fail in this sector or enterprise because they will site their beehive, they cannot, their beehive will not colonize. They'll be asking, what is the problem? What is the issue that made my beehive not to colonize? But today you are going to get these secrets. But before then, just hit the subscribe button to enable you to be getting our subsequent videos. Okay, have you done that? All right, thank you. So let's go ahead. Now, let's talk about site selection. It's a very vital factor for a success in beekeeping enterprise. Now, the factors you must consider include availability of bee-loving plants. What is that bee-loving plants? Nectar and pollen producing plants, because that's what the bees eat. Not really what they eat, that's what they use to manufacture honey. Wow. Then you talk about the climate. You get a little shade. It mustn't be a forest completely shaded. No. If it's completely shaded, your colonies will not be productive. So a little shade, because the bees, they need sun, because sun gives them energy to work. Then you talk about the stream, because they need water during the harmattan period, dry season. But if you don't need water, if you don't have water around there, it's not an issue. So you can provide an artificial source of water. Now let's go ahead and mention some of that bee-loving plants. One is this flower. It's a white one. It's called African marigold. Goatweed. Bees like this pollen and nectar from this plant. And when they take it, they will manufacture a golden honey. Most person likes golden honey. Wow, not only that, we have this white plant too. The bees collect the nectar and pollen from these plants and they produce a golden honey too. The honey also is packed with antioxidants. Then the oil palm, the bee collect the pollen from them. What about the mango? What about the cassava? The cashew? Oh, there's many other ones. The sunflower, the eucalyptus. These are some of the bee-loving plants. So you must make sure you have them around the apiary where you are selecting for a bee farming in order to have a high production of bee products. Then the river. If the river is available, fine. It will help them, especially during the harmattan period. But if it's not, you have to provide an artificial source of water. How do you do that? You can just get the stainless basin, then you pour water inside. Just put some stone inside it where the bees will use as a landing base. They will land there, then and pick the water. So have you been able to get some good factors that will make you to be successful in your apiculture? If you are having issues, please comment in our videos and ask questions. We are here to serve you, to answer you, and to make sure you are successful in your apiculture business. Thank you.